everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So yeah, finally I'm on YouTube. I wanted to say this line since IDK how long. In today's video, I'll be doing a get ready with me and I'll answer a few questions about me that I'm mostly asked. I wanted to do this video first because I want you guys to know me so that we both can connect. एक अगर family build करना है तो let's start from the beginning. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. I had put up some polls on my Instagram today and there I had asked you guys what kind of makeup I want to do, whether matte or dewy, whether a full glam or subtle. So after those polls, I'll be doing my makeup today. First we had matte and dewy base. I don't have anything on my face, so I'll be using this rose gold oil from Beauty Co. It's like a dream to do a makeup tutorial like Shreya Jain on YouTube because I am a big fan of her. So let's start from the beginning. My name is Prerna Patnaik and I am 21 years old. I'm from Cuttack, Odisha, India basically. By profession, I'm a banker and I have completed my graduation in 2020, which is the COVID era, you guys can say. Now we are done with giving a bit of moisture to our skin and we'll head on to primer. So in the polls, I asked whether to go for a matte base or dewy base. So you guys said to go for matte base. So I'll be using this Blue Heaven primer. I'm taking a very small quantity. I'll be applying it in my T-zone. Now the languages I speak mostly are Odia, Hindi, English, and as I have Bengali colleagues, I can understand thoda Bengali. Now we'll head on to foundation. For foundation, I have the OG Maybelline Fit Me. This was one of my first purchase, like first foundation that I had got, and I always wanted to show this on my first YouTube video. Now I completed my BSc in Information Technology from Ravenshaw University. I started my graduation from 2017 and I completed my 12th from DAV. Okay, am I being a bit more formal? Like I feel that. Take a beauty blender and we'll just buff the foundation into our skin just with light hands. Why did I start YouTube? When actually I was never a person who who was into makeup. Till 12th I was this no makeup kind of girl you'll see. Like no makeup, absolutely no makeup. Not just like Vaseline jo aata hai wo dibbi wala wo. Not even kajal I used to put and go to school. Like I was never a makeup person. Then when I came to college, I felt like doing makeup is not that bad. We had our first fresher party and that was the first time I did a glam makeup on my own. इससे पहले I am an Odisha dancer and I always used to do वो function वाला makeup, that heavy base stage makeup के जैसा जो होता है. I used to do that. I never did this kind of party glam looks. Even when I used to go to someone's wedding, I used to go just bare face. मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता था. Like not me. I never was into makeup and उस time से I used to love watch YouTube videos a lot. Like that time I used to watch YouTube religiously. I used to watch Shreya Jain, Jovita and Shweta Vijay. Who else? Quirky Miss, उन सबको I used to see and I used to adore them a lot, like the way they talk and the way they say, like the makeup tutorials they do. So एक टाइम था when I wanted to say all of those lines, like now we are going to apply moisturizer and now we are going to apply foundation from this brand. But उस time I never had so much stuff. Like I had just for beginner case ऐसा कुछ एक काजल, कुछ एक random eyeshadow palette. I was never into makeup, like into makeup. I always had some stuffs because of being like a Odissi dancer, but I never was into makeup. Then again it was college mein you come, you meet new friends, you make good friends, and yeah, when जब आप college जाते हो तो you get a lot of new people there. You go there to meet new people and make friends and have good company 3 years के लिए. So I met this person over there whom now I can call my soulmate. But yeah, how we met was also because of makeup. क्या हुआ एक दिन I gave a status वैसे lipstick swatch वाला, and she was like, dude, even I also love the shades, and we started talking. And he was the one who used to always get best of deals. Don't know if I ever would have got a friend like her. Like she's not friend, she's a family right now to me. And she also has a business of her own now. She's a businesswoman, babies. She's a businesswoman. And I know. So वैसे ही I started. Initially I had just this one foundation, a compact. Initially मेरा goal ये था, I want a full face of makeup. कुछ भी हो, I want a full face of makeup. 2019 Purple used to have 50%, like buy 5 for 50 or buy 6 at 50% off. तो जो ऑर्डर 500 का होता था वो 250 हो जाता था. Like ऐसा कुछ होता था उस टाइम. I wanted to get my hands on a full face of makeup basically. Makeup fixer हो, फिर primer हुआ. Then slowly and gradually I started building my own makeup and makeup kit. उसके बाद the best thing about that is if I wanted something, I used to ask my parents and they used to give me. मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि I used to do luxury purchases and all. No. When I started earning on my own, I started like doing and buying makeup of my own. Basically मेरे हिसाब से ये था, I could have started YouTube and Instagram way too early if I would have wanted, but मेरे को ऐसा नहीं था. Like I always wanted to do something on my own. My parents are there to give me education, but when I want to do something out of passion, I want to do it of my own. So that was the reason I never wanted like उनको कभी ये सब, I never forced to give them to give me this or give me that. If I wanted something, I asked them and they said कि okay get it, वो चीज़ होता है. But I never forced कि मेरे को ये चाहिए, और I don't splurge on their money, never. Like I have never splurged on their money. कुछ भी हुआ हो, मेरे को कॉलेज जाते वक्त पापा used to give me 50 rupees, 100 rupees. I'll be saving at the end. तो and जो भी होगा उससे खरीदती थी. But yeah, I never forced anyone कि मेरे को ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. Then 2020 हुआ and I was sitting घर पे. I had a friend and he is like a tech genius and he was like तो ब्लॉग क्यों नहीं स्टार्ट करती. तो हम लाइक हाँ वी कैन डू दैट, ब्लॉग पोस्ट तो कर सकते हैं. देन I started my blog post. So जब ब्लॉग पोस्ट स्टार्ट किए देन क्या हुआ ना, I was very underconfident that I'll be able to speak in front of camera, I'll be able to do videos, I'll be able to edit videos. I was very self-conscious जो एक होता है ना, I was like that. तो मेरे लिए sitting in front of camera was a dream, but talking to you guys was scary. I used to feel what if people judge my English skills or speaking English skills, या फिर मैं कोई एक word गलत बोल दूँ, या फिर what if I don't say something right. तो then my friend told me before doing anything always do your research. and she was the one who always said कि research is the key to all of your problems. Then initially I didn't get a tripod, I just got a monopod. तो उस time I saw Malvika Sitlani का एक video where she had got a monopod with remote control. तो you can use it as a selfie stick, as a normal monopod, photo खींचने के लिए stand और कुछ ऐसा. तो उस टाइम I used to do that. Initially मेरे को लगा कि फ़ोन मैटर्स, फिर वो धीरे धीरे I upgraded, छोटा baby steps करके I upgraded myself. Right now I believe that skills matter more than anything, because skills and a family, I would say, because maybe ऐसा हो सकता है कि there will be time when you have no one to support, but the people who love you, who know you, who love your work, who genuinely love your content, I'm talking about my Instagram family, there are a lot of people who support me, even if sometimes, well, it's a place where you have to coexist. Even YouTube is also a place where you have to coexist, basically. I believe कि if you want to come into a place like this, a social platform, you have to coexist, help each other, जैसे like share others, care others वाला वही चीज़. So yeah, that is what I believe. And अगर आप शेयर करने से किसी का कुछ भी उसको कुछ मिलता है तो you should be happy, because if you would not have been there, maybe they might not have been where they are right now. So always feel happy about that. I also do that because मैं वही सोच के वही करती हूँ, thinking कि suppose what if my one share या फिर my one like will complete her 100k likes, या फिर complete her 10k followers, या फिर complete her 10k views. So वही चीज़ है. I am this person, I love to stay around people, I love to make friends. I have made a lot of friends here. I have like a lot of good people. I came across very talented people who are there, who always support me, who have helped me a lot in growing. So for me right now, followers जितना matter नहीं करता. This place, Insta हो, YouTube हो, it is like a escape from me, for my work, from my daily वो जो tired होके आके, you know, मतलब you're all tired and still you need to be somewhere where you can just sit down, take your time and talk. Yeah, this is a place where I come to. This is not my profession currently, but yeah, I do this for the sake of passion, which is what I wanted to say. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अगर like बातें करती हूँ. By the time you guys have known that, and I like YouTube more because I can sit and talk with you guys. People like fast videos on Insta rather than as a talk through videos, and I like going through talk through videos more because they make sense. They help you to connect with each other. Although for me right now it feels very weird to sit in front of a camera and talk, but still it's fun. I'll get used to it. I know. I contoured with this one also. ये Wet n Wild का Mega Glow Contour Kit है. So brows के लिए I'll be using this Miss Claire का brow powder eyebrow cake. You can see this. So let me do my brows off camera and come. So I'm back and my brows are filled. Manny Mua is one of my favorite YouTubers whom I watch, who is like abroad India, and after he fills his brows off camera he does this dance. Back and my brows are filled, and वो मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगता है. Like I literally vibe to that thing. I don't know why, but I like that thing so much. Comment down below if you guys watch his videos and you like the thing that back and my brows are filled wala gana. My eyes, I am using this. This is the Makeup Revolution Smoky New Neutral Smoked Palette. People had said to use neutral looks. Even glam hota to I would have also done this. I have also used this palette only. because it has both neutral and glam. People will just think, why would I subscribe you? Now this is a place where I feel it's like an escape from me, and I also want you guys to feel the same. If you see my videos, if you can relate with me, if you can enjoy my content, कुछ भी हो, challenges हो, hauls हो, फिर fashion content हो, makeup content हो, dance content ho, cooking, anything for you guys. So but yeah, I need you guys to comment down below ki what do you want to see, like what you want to see. Also I'm planning to do a Nykaa haul as my next video because Pink Friday sale abhi gaya hai and I had got a lot of stuff from there. So if you guys really want to see a Nykaa haul, do just let me know that. I'll be using this shade Diffuse, which is like a skin tone wala shade, and I'll be using this angle kind of brush. This kind of brush, a bit tapered one, to give this color. I'll be using this color, this brown. And I'll just add it into the crease, just to give a bit of depth to my eyes. Taking this shade Muse, if you can see, yeah, and I'll just add it, pop that to my lids. Taking it. So one eye is done, and I'll do the other eye off camera, and I'll just come in a minute. So yeah, I'm back, and both of my eyes are done. I'll just blend this side a bit more. Feel a bit blending is required, but yeah, this is what my kind of subtle glam look like. So I'm using this Maybelline ka kajal, and I'll a small smudger brush. I'll just smudge it. I have to do a reverse liner thing because it's like one of my favorite to do these days. And click. If I can get this side. Mascara, I'm using this as Lash Princess mascara. Lash Princess. And I'll just put, now without falsies also you can see the difference this mascara does. My absolute favorite. Also it is not waterproof, so you can use it daily. Be using this shade from the palette. Eyeshadows as highlight. I'll take a big tapered brush like this, and I'll just take this and pop into the skin, baby. Ooh, you guys can see the sheen. For my lips, I'll be using two products. These are from MyGlam. These shades are my absolute favorite, like these two particularly. This one is in the shade wait a sec, Showgirl, which is this, it's like a peach tone, pink undertone nude, and this is a brown, proper brown. First I'll be lining my lips with a brown, and I'll take this shade and pop it in the middle. This is how my makeup looks. With that, I hope you guys like my intro and my first ever YouTube video. Do let me know in the comment section what else you want to see and what are your favorite kind of videos that you watch in YouTube, and I'll try to do that for you guys with all my heart. So yeah, do subscribe me, like my content, and share. Would mean the absolute world to me. I never thought I'd be saying this, but yeah, I'm finally saying that. So hope you guys to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, good night.